Good morning everyone, this is Sarthak Patnaik reporting from My Personal Academy. Today here I am looking after the project in my water scarcity. I have got some people who are looking after this project. I am with Mr.
Pradeep Kumar
I am with Mr. Pradeep Kumar who's looking for water scarcity, and he is going to give some bite on our water scarcity project. So sir, what do you think about water scarcity? Is it like developing or decreasing?
It is definitely it is decreasing.
Yes sir.
Water problem is decreasing day by day.
Yes. Sir, what do you think? It is about the people itself are doing this, or it's naturally due to the plants?
No. Definitely people are responsible for this.
Yes, sir. Sir, how do you think people are doing this? Like I know that some people are doing like while they're brushing their teeth, they're opening the tap, in which many of the water are wasted. So, sir, like this, can you give some examples so that?
It's like cutting trees.
Yes, sir.
And development of these concrete jungles.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And thereby heat is increasing.
Yes, sir.
And thereby water level is going down.
Yes, sir.
It is because of also growth of in population also.
Yes, sir.
Because the use of water is increasing day by day.
Yes.
People are wasting water.
Yes.
This is because of some of the problems, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, day by day, what is happening right now is poor people or middle class family, they are not getting any place for the shelter. So they are cutting down the trees and making the shelter over there. So, sir, do you think this is right, or they should get a separate place?
No, I do not think it is a big problem.
Yes, sir.
It is because of development of concrete jungles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is responsible for the scarcity of water.
Sir, in your opinion, how can we stop this?
We can save water. If we cannot wastage water, which is happening today, we can solve this problem by planting some trees.
Yes,
If we cut one tree and if we plant more than 10 trees,
yes,
definitely within some years this problem would be over.
yes, sir.
I think so.
Sir, what should the people think that we need to conserve water? As sir, now only the water is being distributed, and sir, in future again, if the water will become decreased, in our generation water is this much. In other generation, when I'll grow up, I'll be like you. Then my generation people will not get sufficient water. For that, sir, how we can conserve it? One is cutting down the trees, as you said, we have to decrease that and need to plant more trees. And any other opinions, sir, how that the water will be conserved for our generation, for future generations?
It is because we have to save water. Because what I know about 80% water are wastage. It is going from river. It is going to the sea.
Yes, sir.
And if people reserve that water at river level, definitely it will be a very big things for the future generation.
So you think, sir, as water is decreasing, right now boring is needed, like groundwater water is needed sufficient?
The construction of small size reservoir,
Yes, sir.
water reservoir,
Yes, sir.
it is necessary, I think.
So you think rain is little less right now as due to heat. So sir, if rain factor is more, then water can be increased?
Rain depends upon the cutting of plants.
Yes, sir.
If you will cut the plants, definitely rain will stop.
Yes, sir.
And for getting better rain, we have to put stress upon this plantation
Yes, sir.
plantation program.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And another thing, I think the dream of Bajpayee, just like connecting rivers,
yes.
that will also create a very big thing,
Yes,
I think.
sir, as now in Mumbai, Maharashtra, water scarcity is happening a lot, and
Yeah.
like comparatively to Odisha and Bhubaneswar, our it is little less.
Little
Sir,
less.
but in villages, people are not getting sufficient water, sir. They are going miles away to bring water, and just in villages, their only passion is to work in farms and all. That is the main duty, sir. So, sir, for that we need sufficient water, sir. Drip like irrigation systems are developed, but there is no water, sir. So, sir, for the farmers, like we are getting sufficient water, you are getting sufficient water, we are getting, but the farmers are not getting. If farmers are not getting, we are not getting food, sir. So, sir, how to develop the water system over there, sir? In your opinion, what to do? Like we have to say the government, we have requested the government, the farmers are
generation of common people, government can make it.
Yes, sir.
Because supplying water to a village is a costly item, I think. And people in rural areas, they cannot afford
Yes, sir.
at their own cost.
Yes, sir.
So government has to help.
Yes, sir.
And with the help of government, common people can make it. Just if you have gone today's newspaper, there is very interesting thing that one man dug a well, deep well, for his wife,
Yeah, yeah.
because he was suffering, he was prevented from taking water from other the upper caste people. So he dug his own well and supplied sufficient water to the area. So if people will are interested, they can solve it
Yes.
with the help of government.
So, sir, what do you think? We need to conserve water for our future or need to conserve the water for us?
No, we have to conserve it for future generation,
Yes.
because the future generation cannot excuse us if we will misutilize water and we will not catch some sufficient water for them.
Yes, sir. In villages, sir, like Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, has did a breaking news right now. It had came some days, that all the village sarpanch will get 25,000 from the government. So, is this a good idea for the water conservation?
Definitely it is a good idea. It is an encouragement to the sarpanch to have put interest in that in this field.
So,
Definitely it is a good idea.
if if now it has not been started, sir. So, what can the sarpanch do for the water development?
No, sarpanch should be encouraged like this, getting 25. They should be given personal attention. What I mean, the ministers, the top level minister at Delhi level or at Bhubaneswar level, they should have personal contact with the sarpanch and the common people of the village. What is their problem? In which way they can solve this problem, water scarcity?
Yes.
And they should be encouraged. They should be given prize money or something like that.
Yes.
It should be done by the government.
So, sir, according to you, sir, what is the solution for it?
We have to conserve water because human being can never make a single drop of water. It is given by the God to the people. So there is only one alternative. We have to conserve water for future generation.
So, it's the
And-
last question. Sir, actually, nowadays you can see children are more fascinated in water parks, bathtub, swimming pool.
No,
So,
no.
is that
it should
correct?
be discouraged.
Yes.
It should be discouraged. I do not say it should be stopped, but it should be discouraged. Or there should be some developed technology, not to waste that water in the park, but it should be recycled. Recyclation should be made.
Yes, sir. So, sir, what to do to tell to those children that their parents to have a personal discussion with their children to like they can have a personal discussion that do not do that. Do you agree to
It
this?
should be.
Or this,
Should
or
be.
like closing that all things.
No, it should be. The small kids should be taught that it is unnecessary for you. Entertainment in water parks is not necessary because the waters are badly necessary in rural areas.
Yes, sir.
They should be taught like this so they can stop it. Your old generation cannot make it. If the young generation will want, they can have their own plan
Yes.
to conserve it water.
Sir, actually nowadays also children are fascinated by bathtubs. So what is happening? They're making full of water in that tub, and after that when they're bathing, they're opening
is
their
wasted.
drains and it is going away. This many water in this water, farmers can get sufficient for the crop.
Definitely.
Yes, sir. So, sir, like we need to ban this or need to tell children if you do this, like, sir, children are not going to understand
we
that.
should not ban it. The child should come forward to ban it. We should teach the child that what you are doing is not good. We should tell them the real fact of the entire story of India.
Thank you, sir. I hope, sir, water is coming sufficiently to your home, and I think that you conserve water for us. Thank you. I am Satya Patnaik reporting for Personal Academy. This was how Mr. Pradeep Kumar Misna opinion for water scarcity. Thank you.